guys, you got this problem, you're filling up your Yukon, your Denali, your Tahoe, your Escalade, you go to put fuel in it, this is what happens. See that? Whoa! Overflow. Only at 0.6 gallons. But we're gonna fix that today.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
This is everything you need to get the gas fill solenoid taken out and replaced. So you got the new gas fill solenoid, and that is part number right there, 234-81275. GM part number 234-81275, and I got that from AC Delco. I'll put the link below. You also need the cylinder wire, which is 192-57603, and that is also AC Delco. Some of the tools you need to lower your tire, so you need your tire extension kit there. T20 and T30. Can't think right now. Star heads or Torx, 13mm wrench, pliers. I got some gloves here, and you don't need these, but I like them because they're easier to disconnect the fuel lines with and everything, so you don't have to get in there with a flathead screwdriver. So I picked that up from AutoZone. I'll also put that in the link below. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is open up the fuel cap here and take your T30. Take out these two screws here. Put these in a safe spot. You have a washer on them there, so make sure you don't lose that. And you can take out your rubber piece right here. And for that, I'm probably gonna need my pliers. Whoops. Alright, so messed up the little rubber piece right there. Alright, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver in order to get this out, because one of them comes out and then the top one locks in, or vice versa. So let's get our flathead screwdriver. Take your screwdriver, stick it in here, try to wiggle it out. There we go. It's not broken, it's just
Come on, Sissy, this way.
the rubber piece right here I'm going to have to put back on. I mean, if I really need to replace it, I will, but I don't think I need to replace this. Alright, there we go. Alright. So now that this is disconnected, we can go down and lower our tire there. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take off our cover piece right here. And on the bottom there's two little tabs that you cross, and then this piece pulls out. Now you can see your tire a little easier. And your tire door here is where you insert your tool, how you lower your tire. So we got to pop this off and insert our tire lowering tool. The key, your ignition key, just goes in there and it pulls out. A little tip here: don't put all three sections of your tire just use the two and it'll come down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put our fuel door spring in, and finally we'll put our tire back on, clean up our tools, and go fill the gas tank. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. Please like, share, comment, and post to other forums, discussion areas, and tech websites. Thanks, guys. Now we're gonna head up underneath the truck, and once you go under the truck, you'll see this is the part right here. You can see that. You see this little orange tab right here? See if I can get my finger through there. You can take that, push that, pull that down like that, and then on the top here, okay, so got a little bit more room up here, and I put these in underneath them. If you don't have those, don't worry about it. You don't have to. You can jack up the car. Up top here, you follow this L bracket right here. On the top, you'll find a 13mm bolt that's right here. So if you see my camera right here, you see the canisters right here for the evaporation hose. And that little bolt right there is 13mm. Take that out. This will be loose at that point. Follow that hose, this hose here, all the way back to your evaporator box. So it's not that one that I showed you. It's this one right here. Okay, you can see it right in there. Now, if you're at your transfer, your little universal joint right there, right to the side of it, you can see it up in there. That's what we got to disconnect and get out. And it's going to be hard, but you see that little split in the middle there at the bottom? That's where we're going to put our screwdriver, and then we're going to pull to the right. So let's try that. Now we're going to pull this hose through. Try to pull it through. Now remember, this is your broken one, so it really doesn't matter what the hell happens to it. This thing gonna be a pain in the butt. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this down. We gotta cut all of our tie wraps off of it. Alright. Now we're gonna cut all of our tie wraps off of it so we can get in our new line. Two out. Then we got the one right there, that's the last one. Alright, so now this thing is going to be able to come out. At least we thought. So our old one is out. And our new one's right there. Let's put it in now. Pisses me off. GM did this, and they have just a cap on this thing. This is how they were supposed to do it. A little box with an airflow filter in it so no garbage gets in. Instead of they just put a plastic cap on it. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add this to my my list of recalls that GM should go ahead and take care of. So sign the petition down below in the description link so we can get this taken care of in the future for future people who need this problem fixed. Thanks again. Alright guys, so you see this zip tie that comes with the new vent line? You're gonna wrap that around there and basically zip tie it so it's held in place like your other zip ties were. Now if you have zip ties, you know, laying around the house or the shop, you can go ahead and put those in. But if not, like me,
These come with it. This one's being, you know what? It's really because the gas line, the fill line is so thick. See if I can get it with my needle nose pliers here. Right. Didn't break, but I didn't get it. We're gonna have to go around a smaller place because that just is not working. All right. So around this. So I went around the smaller hose. See if I can get it to go around here like this here. I'm gonna take our wire here. I'm gonna plug this in to this existing wire here. There we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to plug that into our new box here, which is right there. And we're just going to secure this. Got a little metal tab there. We're just going to secure that onto the frame here. We'll use our 10mm screw to reconnect this. Set that in there. Put our 10mm screw in. See if we can get this in here while I'm holding the camera. Oh, look at that. There we go. So that's secure. We're going to secure this now, and then we're going to, you see this right here, this is our vent on our fill here. And on the side, we got it in. Got the zip tie in there. Now we're going to go ahead and put our fill valve area back up. Screw it in. Get our tire back in. And that should do it. So let's go ahead and get our fill valve back in squared. Alright, got our gas fill back in line with our outside door area here. We're just going to screw these back in.